Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Snapchat app is not working properly or not opening. Sometimes you opening time it's closed immediately. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side click on apps over here and right side click on installed apps. Here you need to search for Snapchat. Here comes in three dot icon. You just need to click on it and click on advanced option. Just scroll down guys. Here the option reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected. Try to repair it. Click on it. And after finishing this, go and open it guys. If not get solved, if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the app data on this device including your preference and sign in details. Click on reset. Now close out of here and go and restart your PC guys. You will good to go guys. After that you hopefully solved the issue. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much guys.